Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to the material we need to get this job accomplished. First and foremost, we need your glue gun to glue your trimmings to your fascinator. I have my already molded fascinator, the base. Like I said earlier, the emphasis for this class is to teach you how I achieve this curved end of the stick. Okay, you should be familiar with how to mold a fascinator base, but if peradventure you've not molded a fascinator base or you don't know how to mold a fascinator base, I'll drop a link on the comment section to our tutorial videos that will teach you how to make a fascinator base, or how to mold a fascinator base rather. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing because you have a whole lot to gain. And then if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for staying with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. We appreciate your loyalty. Kindly like this video, share, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments as well. And when you are subscribing for the first time subscribers, don't forget to tap on that notification bell so you get notified each time we drop in a new video. Okay, so emphasis right now is on how I achieve this curved end of the stick. It's also part of our trimming. Okay, so stay tuned, we'll get there. And then I all have my trimming. This is a rose, it's called pocket rose. And then I have my iris band, I have my biro, I have my wool gum. I also have this, there are two different gum. Okay, I have my scissors, I have my needle and thread if need be. Okay, all right, so let me teach you how to achieve the curved end of the stick. You get a long stick like this. It's sold in any millinery store. Okay, you just don't want to buy the stick. It comes in different length. Like you see, this is more or less like the longest one at the moment. You can get a shorter one. It depends on what you want to totally achieve. Okay, you grab your pen, right? You come to this thinner parts of the stick towards the end. You place your biro and then you carefully pull it. Okay, you see it's curving. As you are pulling, it's curving. As you are pulling, it's curving. Don't forget to gently do it because it has a tendency to break. Okay, you just keep pulling this way, right? And then it will be forming the curve. Mommy. Okay, you pull, you see it's curving already. Okay, it's not difficult, a little technical, a little I said. Okay, with proper care you will achieve what you want to achieve. Okay, just be careful so the edge does not break or the stick does not break. Okay, so you keep pulling this way. As you can see, it's curving already. You keep pulling with your biro. You just keep repeating this process continually. Okay, see it gives you your desired curve, right? So it gives you your desired curve this way. You gently and patiently do it. You keep curving, you see. So that this is how I achieve the curve on the stick. You keep repeating the process till you get your desired curved. Okay, all right. You can also choose to use your scissors to do it, but you are careful so you don't break it. Okay, you're careful so you don't break it. Whatever is convenient for you or your convenience with. All right, okay, so I haven't said this or taught you how to do this. I'll just show you the decoration. Okay, I grab my rose, I cut out the stick. Okay, I just cut out the stick. Kindly note that it's not in all occasion you cut it out this way. It depends on the design you have in mind. All right. So you just gently and carefully cut them out. Okay. All right. So with your glue gun, right? With your glue gun, you apply your glue. Okay. And then you place it. Okay. All right. I don't need this parts. I'll just cut it off. Okay. So like this, I'll just arrange my roses on it like this, like this, like this. I'll glue them with my glue gun. Okay. And then when you're done, you attach your Alice band to it. And then a fascinator is ready. Thank you so very much. If you know this class has been of any help to you, kindly like, comment, give a thumbs up. Stay tuned. See you again in our next video. Peace out.